A few years ago I've made some chandeliers, and this part just remade. I was keeping them for the past years, and now I was thinking maybe I can make something with them. Statue, clock, lamp, I don't know. Other ideas will come. So let's see what use I can bring to them. I don't know what I want to make at this moment. We'll see. Okay, so I've brass soldered these pieces. I think I'm going to make a human shape. The problem with these pieces is that they are copies sand casted, so they contain all sorts of impurities. And for that reason the soldering went a little bit ugly, as you can see. At this point it looks a little bit better, but I'll continue working it, and we'll see how it will look at the end. Okay, so by now this is the shape I got. I don't know exactly what it will be. No idea. But I'll let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll see. To tell you the truth, I still don't know how this thing will look at the end. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'll give it a brush to see how it looks at this moment. For now, this is how it looks. These two I think I'll keep. But this one here looks a little bit weird, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And even on the back, I think I'll change the shape of this one. Okay, let's see. Forgot to push the record button. I've renounced it. This part, it looks kind of like this now. And I've changed the view on this. And I was looking at it, it kind of looks like a minotaur, doesn't it? Kind of. Let's see if I can put this to good use or not. Let's see. I'll just leave it to cool off for some time, and I think this is it, because for a watch, for a clock, don't have the space. In the beginning I was thinking maybe here, but it will look ugly. For a lamp, I'll have to mount a brass tube here and put the bulb, the light bulb in there and go with the wire down, but I think it would look ugly. Maybe this is it. So here's my statue. Maybe till it will cool off and give it the final finish, I can find a name for it. I think I'm going to call him Warrior Gold King or King Gold. Warrior King Gold.